In this video, I will show you how to use the default reply feature. This feature will control the default response of your chatbot to user queries which are unclear and out of topic. However, this feature will not work if OpenAI integration is set as automated reply. Follow me as I show you how to set up your default reply on GPT Connect. First, we make a flow. On our first message block, we inform the user that the chatbot isn't able to process their query. Then we will offer them to reach out to a live agent for further assistance. On how to transfer conversations to human, link to a separate tutorial is provided on description box below. Once done, click Publish to save. Next, we go to Settings, General, and select the default reply flow from the drag-down list under Default Reply Options. Click Save. Please note, this feature will not work if OpenAI integration is set as automated reply. Time to test our default reply flow. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions and need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. You'll find our support hotline on the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect. We're here to help.